If you are new here, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I am going to show you how you can take these ingredients that I got at the Dollar Tree to make these delicious yet easy movie snacks. For my movie bar, I will have tuna, croissants, some barbecue meatballs, little cheese and meat pizzas, a s'mores pie, and some popcorn. Recipes are great when you just want to have a lazy Sunday and just have a movie day with your family, or anytime you just want a quick snack that you don't have the energy or you just don't feel like cooking. This would be perfect for them days. I'm going to start with my s'mores pie. I have 1 container of jet puffed marshmallow cream, and I have 1 tub of the chocolate fudge icing, and I also have 1 graham cracker crust pie shell. To make the s'mores pie, you just have to mix all the ingredients minus the pie crust together. Take your chocolate fudge and put it in the bowl with the marshmallow cream. And just mix this together the best you can. Just want to put all this filling into the pie shell. Smooth the top out a little bit. Then you want to put this in the fridge for about 30 minutes. For my sweet and tangy meatballs, for movie foods you want them to be bite-sized. So I'm going to cut my meatballs into 4 pieces so they will be bite-sized. Just take your meatballs and cut them in half, and then cut them in half again. To put about half of your barbecue sauce into a pot. And then about 1/4 of the raspberry preserves. You don't need much. You want to turn your heat on, mix this well. Drop your meatballs into the barbecue and preserve mixture. Mix this well until all the meatballs are covered. And you want to simmer this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Into thin slices. You do not want these thick. These mini pizzas are so simple and easy to make. You just want to take your tortillas and put them down into an air fryer basket. Get as many as you can on one time. I can only get 2. I cut the corner off my Velvetta cheese pack. Put a little dollop in the middle. Spread the cheese around. You want to take some of your Polish sausage and put onto the tortilla and cheese. You want to air fry this for a couple of minutes. If you do not have an air fryer, just put it in the oven for about 4 to 5 minutes and they'll turn out the same. I have all my tortillas with cheese and Polish sausage, and I ran out of Polish sausage, but I still had some cheese, so I made 2 cheese mini pizzas. You can add more ranch if you like. It depends on how much you want in your tuna. You want to take one of your croissants and cut a little hole. Squeeze it just a little to get that a little pocket. Take some of your tuna, stick into that pocket. Then continue with the rest of the croissants. Next time you want to have a nice movie day with your family, give these recipes a try. I guarantee that your kids will love them. Thank you for watching.